I've spent the last few weeks trying to build the ultimate Evo 10, and while it's turning out great, there's one big problem with the car. This interior is pretty freaking disgusting. All I've done on the inside so far is add the gauges, install the new CarPlay head unit, and the new carbon steering wheel. It needs to be gutted and cleaned desperately. To do that, we have a special guest. Hello.
Hi.
Ready to do your thing?
Mm-hmm.
What you need removed?
I need the seats removed.
Reader's already out.
Okay, I need those two fronts taken out.
Anything else?
No, I think I can work my magic.
Okay. We'll see what you can do. So I'm gonna pull out both front seats. I already have the rear seats out from when I did the fuel pump. And then I'm gonna pull the headliner because it looks like something looks like someone literally pooped on it up there. Bobby poop on it, upside down.
You're taking that out, that's messed up.
For how much money someone put into this car, they sure have it disgusting.
Well, they like to golf. See, the hardest part with the carpets is getting the hair out, especially in the older cars like this. The carpet's like...
This thing's brand new, 2011.
Carpet's really coarse.
Poop stains are hitting my head. Real, is your hair like that greasy? You just grease the whole headliner? Like, how does this mathematically make sense?
You are not putting that in. That's
I'm
rude.
just frustrated.
I think you need to take a shower.
Me?
Yeah.
Whoever owned this car before me needs to take a shower. Getting these things out is a freaking finagle session. I'll tell you that right now. In the world of crust, I present to you.
You can't really see it.
Dude, look at the back of that. So that's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it does look like. That's pretty crusty. So I'll be taking care of the headliner, the seats, all the plastic stuff, and everything that's inside, including the carpet. Bobby will take care of. Bobby's not too stoked on the carpet cleanse.
No.
You're regretting your life.
No. Let me tell you guys though, this comes in clutch for cleaning the carpets.
So the passenger side is all done, right, Bobby?
Right.
Looks way better. Here is the untouched side. I'm getting close-ups. That's pretty rough. The whole cabin is now cleaned out. The carpet turned out freaking phenomenal. Very pleased with how both of the seats came out. But now we need to wait for the headliner to dry. Being that I pressure washed it, I'm gonna let it dry overnight and then come back tomorrow and get all of this reinstalled in the car. This took forever to clean, but it was well worth it. In the meantime, let's install a quick little mod. This is a Torque Solution short shifter. I've had this laying around for a while. We may as well slap it in. 32% reduction in throw, so in movement as you're shifting, 1.25 inches shorter. That feels so nice. It's now the next day. Everything is completely dry. Let's start getting this interior reassembled. I am very, very happy we ended up pulling the headliner out. You guys saw how crusty this thing was. It had been super, super difficult to make it this nice. Well, in the car, I don't even know what you do. Lay upside down, I guess. But let's start with the headliner, get all the pillars and plastic trims back in. And then last but not least, the seats can go in, which also turned out phenomenal. 2.5 days later of cleaning this interior, we are finally done. Let's check it out. The one thing I was dreading with the Evo project is now complete. I knew that interior detail was going to take quite a while, but we got her knocked out and it turned out phenomenal. Very last week to get entered in on winning the Evo 10. The winner has a few different options. First off, car or $20,000 in cash. If you pick the car, I'll either fly you out and you drive her home, or I'm going to ship this thing right to your front door, completely free of charge. First link down below, go check out the site. $3 spent is one entry to take her home.